today's video, I'll show you how to create amazing AI videos using a consistent character with a super simple and easy method. You'll learn how to make professional-looking videos in just 5 minutes using free tools. This is a complete course where I'll cover how to create audio for your video, how to generate character images, how to edit your video with those images, and how to use Canva to tie it all together seamlessly. Every step is important, so make sure you watch the full video. If you miss even a little part, you might get confused. We'll be using Canva powerful free tools to create stunning videos with a consistent AI character. I'll guide you step by step, so even if you're a beginner, you can do it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video to support this free content. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Let's start. Step 1. First, open Canva. Then, click on Docs. After that, click on Magic Write. Now paste the story prompt there. I'll give you this prompt in your YouTube description. Once you paste it, Canva will generate a story for you. Now, open ChatGPT and paste the same prompt there too. ChatGPT will turn that prompt into 3D style image prompts. Then, just type, "Now give me story," and ChatGPT will create a story based on those image prompts. You can also create a full story directly in Canva. It will automatically generate prompts there as well, just like ChatGPT. Step 2. Image generation. To generate images, go to Canva and select Canva AI. Click on Create Image. Remember, always select 3D render for the style. Now, paste your prompt there and click Send. The image will be created. You'll see a cool 3D style image right away. You can copy and paste your prompts one by one like this, step by step, and Canva will generate images for each prompt. Why use Canva for this? Canva is great for generating images, especially 3D style designs. It's very user-friendly, has AI tools, 3D templates, customizable elements, and realistic effects. You can quickly make eye-catching 3D visuals for branding, marketing, presentations, or social media posts. Once all the images are ready and you've reviewed them, you can download them easily. Step 3. Audio generation. To generate audio, the best website to use is TT-Soapani. Open this site. Here, Tom's voice is the best choice. Paste your story prompt in the text box, select Tom's voice, and then click Create Speech. After that, go to Go-To History on the site, where your audio will be saved. You can listen to it and check how good the voice sounds.
Of a vast jungle, eyes like fire and stripes like shadows.
Once you're happy with it, download the audio file. Step 4. Video generation. This is a very important step. You can create videos exactly based on the story or prompts I'm sharing. For this, I use 2 websites that give free credits. hiluai.videopixverse.ai. Both are good and offer free credits to get started. On hiluai.video, if you're new, you get 1100 free credits at first, plus 100 credits daily after that. On pixverse.ai, you start with 90 credits and then get 60 credits daily, which is enough to make 3 to 4 videos every day. I will show you how I use these sites to create AI videos. Now take a look and see how it works. First, I open pixverse.ai. Here, I click to upload the first image. The prompt for this image is, "The boy is touching his head to his tiger's head." Then I click Create and the video starts generating. Next, I upload the second image. This time, I change the prompt a little. The girl is touching her head to her tiger's head. Again, click Create and the second video starts. After that, I upload the third image. For this one, I write the prompt. The boy and the girl are walking in the water. The water is moving and the tiger is also walking. Like this, 3 videos are created here. You can create many videos by using your own ideas and your Gmail account to sign in. I open hiluai.video and click on Create Video. Then, I upload the first image. For this image, I write the prompt, "The boy and the girl are walking and the tiger is also walking." I click 30 seconds and the video starts creating. Next, I upload the second image and paste this prompt. The boy and the girl are sitting near the tiger, eating and talking while the tiger is also moving its mouth. Again, I click 30 seconds and the second video starts. After that, I upload the last image and write the prompt, "The tiger is walking and the boy and the girl are watching." This way, I create all my videos using Pixverse.ai and Halwai.video. Finally, I download all the videos. Final step. Now, I edit all these videos in CapCut. I select all my videos and add animations and some effects. You can also use many free effects available in CapCut. Using these free effects will make your video even more amazing and professional looking. This is how I finish my video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Next time, I'll bring another method for you. Thanks for watching.